important class. Third important class, or it is called sixth class, the class Dipnoi. Class Dipnoi. This class Dipnoi is also called as Lang Vishesh. Dipnoi, or it is also called as Lang Vishesh. This is the class, sixth class, last but one class. First, Erichthys caucasia acanthodi extinct. Then surviving class, class Elastomerbranchi, most primitive ancient. Then class Holocephali, and then class Dipnoi. Dipnoi is also called as Lang Vishesh. Name itself, Greek word di means two. Di means two, and pnoi means breathing. Pnoi means breathing. The animals, the fishes, these are to be breathed. Animals or fishes, these are to be breathed on two environment. Fishes, these are to be survive, these are to be live on two environment. One in water and second in on land. First in water and second on land. That is, fishes, these are to be survive. Fishes, these are to be spend their life. Fishes, these are to be spend their life into two environment, into two aquatic medium. One aquatic medium is the in water, पाण्यामध्ये, and second on land. On land. That's why it is called as Dipnoi. Dipnoi. Di means two, pnoi means breathing. Two types, two areas, two places it can spend its life. One in water and second on land. It is called as Dipnoi. Or this Dipnoi is also known as Lang Vishesh. It is called as Lang Vishesh. Lang is not present. But this class is the most interesting class because this class, these are to be connecting link between. It is connecting link between fishes and amphibians. Fishes and amphibians. One side, it is to be connecting link between teleostomy members, and in another side, it is to be connected towards the amphibians, frog side. Amphibians. That's why it is called as Lang Vishesh. Lung-like structure, lung-like air bladder is present inside the body. Hence, these are called as the Lang Vishesh. That is the class Dipnoi or the class Lang Vishesh. Class Lang Vishesh. Then what is the character of this class Lang Vishesh? This is the character of the class Lang Vishesh. Di means two, pnoi means breathing. Di means two, pnoi means breathing. Then general characters. General characters. Which are the general characters? Which are the general characters? The first general character, class Dipnoi or the class Lang Vishesh. It is the interesting class. It is the interesting class connecting link between teleost and amphibians. Teleost and amphibians. That class, the class Dipnoi. Class Dipnoi. Connecting link between teleost fishes or fishes and amphibians. Fishes and amphibians. Fishes and amphibians. That is the first general character. Then second important character, this class, these are to be flourisher. This class, these are to be flourished in mid-Devonian period. Class is flourished in mid-Devonian period. Mid-Devonian period. And dominant in Permian period. Dominant in Permian period and Triassic period. Permian period and Triassic era or period, and thereafter it is suddenly extinct on Earth planet. Thereafter it is suddenly lost, suddenly extinct on Earth planet. Earth planet, that is the class Dipnoi. Today on Earth planet, only 3 genera these are to be reported. Only 3 genera is to be reported on Earth planet from different continent, from the lungfish or from the Dipnoi. That is, Protopterus is found in rivers of Africa. Protopterus is found in rivers of Africa. Protopterus. African lungfish. Protopterus ला काय म्हटलं जातं? African lungfish. It is found in rivers of Africa. Hence it is called as African lungfish. In other continent, in other river water bodies, this fish is to be not found. Only in rivers of Africa, the Protopterus is found. Hence it is called as African lungfish. It is to be asked for MCQ. Which fish is the following African lungfish? खाली नाव दिली असतात मग. Protopterus, Lepidosiren, Neoceratodus and Accipenser. Your correct answer is Protopterus is the fish, lungfish, dipnoi fish found in rivers of Africa. Second, Neoceratodus. Second, Neoceratodus. Neoceratodus. It is found in rivers of Queensland. Rivers of Queensland, Australia. Australia. Hence it is called as Australian lungfish. Australian lungfish. Where this Neoceratodus is found? It is found in rivers of Queensland, Australia. In this river, this fish, these are to be found. Hence it is called as the Australian lungfish. Australian lungfish. And third is the Lepidosiren. Lepidosiren. Third is the Lepidosiren, found in rivers of South America. Rivers of South America. Hence it is called as
South
American lungfish. Means today from the class Dipnoi, from the class lungfishes, only 3 genera these are to be reported. 3 genera these are to be present on Earth planet. One from Protopterus, Africa. Second from Neoceratodus,
Australia.
Queensland of Australia. And third Lepidosiren, that is rivers of South America. In these means African lungfish, Australian lungfish and American lungfish. 3 continents, 3 gender. These are to be reported. These are to be today present. In the future, due to the change in environment, due to the environmental effect, any one fish these are to be extinct. That may be lungfish of Africa, that may be Australia, or that may be America. Then that fish is to be completely extinct on the earth planet, and in future only 1 or 2 fishes these are to be found. In other area, these fishes these are to be not found, these are to be not seen. That is the fish Protopterus, Neoceratodus and the Lepidopterus. These fishes are called as lungfishes because in these fishes ear bag or ear sac is present. Ear bag or ear sac is present. Such ear bag or ear sac, these are to be present. These ear bag, ear sac is to be double or paired. Double or paired ear sac is present in Protopterus and present in Lepidopterus. Double ear bag. And this ear bag is to be act as a accessory respiratory organ. It is to be act as a accessory respiratory organ. Accessory respiratory organ in emergency condition, in adverse condition. In emergency condition, in adverse condition, fish can come out of water. It can 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. These are to be survive on land, and with the help of atmospheric air can be enter inside the air bladder and respiration can be done. It is called as the accessory respiratory organs. And this air bladder, these are to be double in Protopterus and Lepidopterus, and single air bag. Single air bag is present in Neoceratodus, and hence this air bladder, this air bag look like, act as a lung-like structure. Hence it is called as the lung fishes. Not a true lung is present, khari lung nahi, but these air bladder, these sac, these are to act as a lung-like function, lung-like structure. Hence it is called as the lung fishes. Lung fishes, that is Protopterus, Neoceratodus and Lepidopterus. Accessory respiratory organs. तुम्हाला सर्दी झालेली आहे जाम, बरोबर आहे. दोन्ही नाकपुड्या तुमच्या बंद आहेत. काय करता तुम्ही? तोंडाने श्वास घेता की नाही? accessory respiratory organ कुठला आहे? तुमचा माउथ. ज्यावेळेस तुमचं नोज बंद होतं, नोजचं काय काम आहे? फॉर रेस्पिरेशन, टू टेक द वॉटर इन करंट अँड एक्स करंट, हवा आत घेणे आणि बाहेर सोडणे. पण काही कारणास्तव तुमचं नोज जर क्लोज असेल, बंद असेल, तर तुम्ही काय करता? तोंडाच्या साहाय्याने श्वास घेता. accessory respiratory organ, that is mouth. पर्याय रस्ता म्हणून, बाह्य किंवा वळण रस्ता म्हणून वापरतो की नाही आपण, तसं these fishes accessory respiratory organ, that is this ear bag or ear sac, ear bag or ear sac, and that's why these fishes, these are to be come out of water. ही एअर बॅग असते, एअर सॅक असते, म्हणून हे फिश काय होतात? पाण्याच्या बाहेर येतात. तास 2 तास 4 तास पाण्याच्या बाहेर राहतात आणि पुन्हा पाण्यामध्ये जातात. म्हणून त्याला आपण काय म्हटलं? डिप्नॉय. डाय मीन्स टू, प्नॉय मीन्स ब्रीदिंग. ऑन टू एन्व्हायरमेंट, 1 इन वॉटर, पाण्यात श्वास घेतातच, रेस्पिरेशन करतात, पण जमिनीवर सुद्धा रेस्पिरेशन करतात. बरं झालं असतं आपल्याला तशी सुविधा असते. आपल्याला आहे सुविधा, पाण्याचं सोडलं येतं डॅम मध्ये, राम नाम सत्य है का नाही? अल्लाह को प्यारा, तशी सुविधा नाही. दॅट इज डिप्नॉय. डॉय मीन्स टू, प्नॉय मीन्स ब्रीदिंग. This class is to be dominant in mid-Devonian period. Then it is to be Pleistocene, Permian period, and then after the which period? Triassic period. these fishes, these are to be extinct suddenly on Earth planet, like that of the dinosaur. Like that of the dinosaur जसे नष्ट झाले तसे अचानक हे फिश काय झाले पृथ्वीवरून नष्ट झाले, एक्सटिंक्ट झाले. Only 3 genera these are to be reported from 3 continents, 3 different areas. These are to be close affinity because these fishes, in these fishes heart is 3 chambered. Heart is 3 chambered like that of the amphibians. Hence it is to be close to amphibia. Close to amphibia. That is amphibia frog जसा पाण्यात राहतो आणि पाण्याच्या वर राहतो जमिनीवर, सेम कंडिशन. That is called as close affinity to the amphibians. Then in these fishes are also externally body is covered by that is bony ridge scale, cycloid scale. Bony ridge scale, cycloid scale. In extinct fishes, stenoid scale is also present. In extinct class, those fishes, these are to be lost, not present. In these fishes of the dipnoid, the scales are present and that scale is to be stenoid scale. But presently, in present member, that is the cycloid scales. Then another important interesting character of this class dipnoid. Another important and interesting character among this dipnoid is the paired fins. Paired fins are lobate paired fins. Paired fins are lobate paired fins. What is the important character of this dipnoid? That is fins, these are to be present. These fins, which fins? Paired fins, that is pelvic fin and pectoral fin. These pectoral fin and this pelvic fin, these are the lobate paired fins. These fins, these are to be paddle-like structure. Paddle-like structure, and with the help of these lobate paired fins, this fin, these are to this fish, these are to be creep on mud and woods. चिखलावर गाळावर हा फिश काय करतो? इट कॅन क्रीप, जसा कासव किंवा क्रोकोडाईल तुम्ही पाहिला असेल, जर तो गाळावर चालतो, चिखलावर चालतो, दिस फिश इज आल्सो सिमिलर मॅनर इट इज टू बी क्रीपिंग ऑन मड ऑर वूड्स विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दीज पेयर्ड फिन्स. म्हणून चालण्यासाठी, जमिनीवर रांगण्यासाठी ह्या फिन्सचा कसा वापर केला जातो? लोबेट पेयर्ड फिन्स. Paired fins are lobate and it is to be useful to creeping on the mud or woods. It is to be to creep mud or woods. That's why these fins, these are to be present. This is the Protopterus. In this, liquid is to be over. That's why it is to be look like Protopterus. African lungfish. It is to be found in Africa. That is the Protopterus. है ना, बारीक असतील. Paired fins are lobate paired fins, and this is the interesting character. Then neurocranium. Neurocranium is connected with palatoquadrate. Neurocranium is connected with palatoquadrate. Neurocranium is connected with palatoquadrate. Palatoquadrate. In this class, members are these fishes. Cloaca is present. What is meant by cloaca is present? 3 opening: anal opening, genital opening, and urinary opening. These are to be combinedly opened by a opening. Combinedly opened by a opening, that is cloaca is present in this class members, that is a dipnoi. Notochord is persistent. Notochord is persistent. Notochord is persistent, long. Notochord is persistent, long. Premaxilla and maxilla. Premaxilla and maxilla are absent. Premaxilla and maxilla are absent. Spiracles are also absent. Spiracles are absent means what is present? When spiracles are absent, that is presence of operculum. Presence of operculum, and operculum is to be covered by gills. 4 to 5 pairs of gills are present, and these are to be covered by fleshy covering. Fleshy covering, that covering is called as operculum, or it is also called as gill cover. It is called as operculum or gill cover. When gill cover is present, spiracles are, लक्षात ठेवा, स्पायरॅकल्स म्हटलं की ऑपरक्युलम ॲब्सेंट, आणि ऑपरक्युलम प्रेझेंट म्हटलं की स्पायरॅकल्स ॲब्सेंट. इथं ऑपरक्युलम प्रेझेंट आहे म्हणजेच काय ॲब्सेंट आहे? स्पायरॅकल्स. Spiracles are absent and presence of operculum. Presence of operculum, gill cover is present, and this gill cover, these are to be covered, these are to be protected. The gills, 4 to 5 gills are present on one side, either side. 5 gills are present on another side. Then caudal fin. See the fish. Caudal fin is dipecircle caudal fin. Fin, remember, see, fin, dorsal fin, caudal fin and anal fin combinedly joined and forms a whip-like tail. Forms a whip-like structure. It is called as the dipecircle tail, and it is the primitive type. Tail is, caudal fin is dipecircle. डायपीसर्कल कॉर्डल फिन म्हणजे काय? जेव्हा केव्हा, रिमेंबर, लक्षात पुन्हा लिहा. whenever dorsal fin, whenever caudal fin and whenever anal fin, these are to be combined together and forms a confluent caudal fin, jointed caudal fin, then it is called as the dipecircle tail or dipecircle caudal fin. पुढे चॅप्टर आहे तुम्हाला मॉडिफिकेशन्स इन caudal fin, त्याच्यामध्ये पुन्हा येणार आहे. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय dipecircle. Dipecircle caudal fin, fin, dorsal, caudal and anal confluent, connected. Confluent म्हणजे connected किंवा attached to each other. It is called as the dipecircle caudal fin. It is the primitive type of condition which is present in class Dipnoi. present in class dipnoi. Then internal nares are present. Internal nares or nostrils are present. Internal nostrils or nares are present, but it is only in current, not respiration. फक्त पाणी आत घेणे, respiration साठी नाही. What is the use of internal nares? These are to be used only to take the water inside the body. फक्त पाणी शरीरामध्ये घेणे. What is the use of nares? Nose चे काय काम आहे? For respiration. इथं respiration चं काम नाही. Only to take the water inside the body. Internal nares are present. Internal nares are present. Body is somewhat eel-like appearance. Body is somewhat eel-like appearance. Eel-like appearance, fish is to be in this fashion. Eel-like appearance. इलेक्ट्रिकल सापासारखा थोडक्यात. बरेच वेळेस तुम्ही जर पाहिलात तर तुम्हाला ते ओळखू येत नाही. फिश कोणतं म्हणून आपण घाबरतो, हात लावत नाही. दिस इज द बॉडी इज समवॉट eel-like appearance. Body is somewhat eel-like appearance. On paired fins in some fishes. On paired fins, that is in pectoral fin and in pelvic fin, that is such scales are present. Paddle-like paired fins are present, and on these paired fins scales are present, especially in Neoceratodus. In Neoceratodus, in this fish. See, this time on fins scales are present. On fins scales are present. That is the Neoceratodus. Then kidney of in these fishes, that is in dipnoi, kidney is mesonephric type of kidney. Kidney is mesonephric type of kidney. Kidney is mesonephric type of kidney. Mesonephric, pronephros, mesonephros and metanephros. First opisthonephros, primitive type, first type. Opisthonephros, then pronephros, then mesonephros, and then metanephros. Meta, last part of the kidney. Meso, middle part of the kidney. Pro, anterior part of the kidney. And opisthonephros, anterior most again. It is called as the opisthonephros. In this dipnoi fishes, kidney is mesonephric type of kidney. Kidney is mesonephric type of kidney. Then endoskeleton is cartilaginous. Endoskeleton is cartilaginous. Endoskeleton is cartilaginous. Jaw suspension is autostylic. Jaw suspension is autostylic. Jaw suspension is autostylic. Jaw suspension is autostylic. And presence of operculum, ear bladder and cloaca. Presence of operculum, ear bladder and cloaca. Cloaca, 3 separate opening. बरोबर है? 3 separate opening, that is cloaca. And ear bladder, single in Neoceratodus and double in Lepidosiren and Protopterus. And example of this class dipnoi, that is Protopterus, found in rivers of Africa, Neoceratodus is found in rivers of twin lands of Australia. ऑस्ट्रेलियन लंगफिश म्हटलं तरी चालतं, पण स्पेसिफिक विचारलं ऑस्ट्रेलियात कुठं, the twin lands of Australia. And Lepidosiren, these are to be found in rivers of South America. These three examples today, these are to be present on the Earth planet. And with this, general characters of the class Dipnoi, general characters of the class Dipnoi completed. Any problem, any difficulty, please ask.